Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing something that's genuinely reshaping the way I look at productivity and automation. It's the Instant AI Program Masterclass. I've been diving into it, and honestly, it feels like a total game changer, especially if you've ever wanted to create custom programs without dealing with any coding. So, here's the deal. This course promises something a lot of us have been craving: an easy way to design and build our own applications without writing a single line of code. I know that might sound a bit too good to be true, but here's where it gets really interesting. The Instant AI Program Masterclass is built for people like us, who might not have a tech or programming background, but still want to automate repetitive tasks, streamline workflows, or even create custom solutions specific to our business or personal needs. The course is designed by Abdel, who's honestly put together one of the most accessible, step-by-step guides I've come across. Abdel's background is interesting because, just like many of us, he was frustrated with the complexity and cost of traditional software and the technical hurdles of coding. That's why he created this course with simplicity in mind. He uses AI tools to make application creation feel almost like magic. Instead of wrestling with code, all you do is describe what you want your program to do, and the AI interprets your needs and builds it for you. Here's a quick breakdown of how it works. First, you start with a prompt, basically describing the task or problem you want solved. Then, the AI does the heavy lifting, building a draft of your program in seconds. You can refine it as much as you like with additional prompts to get exactly the functionality you need. It's so simple but so powerful. Now, what I really love about this masterclass is that it's packed with video tutorials, making it super easy to follow along. Each lesson builds on the last, so you're not jumping around trying to figure things out on your own. Abdel really nails that over-the-shoulder teaching style, so you can see exactly what he's doing and follow along at your own pace. And let's talk benefits. One of the biggest wins here is the cost savings. You don't need expensive software or to hire a developer, which can really add up. Plus, the course is designed to work across different operating systems like Windows and Mac, so you're not limited by your setup. It's also incredibly efficient. These AI-powered programs can cut down on repetitive tasks, freeing you up to focus on more important projects. There are a few cons, of course. The course is fully online, so you need internet access to go through it. And it's not designed for people looking to build super complex software. This is more about quick and effective solutions to everyday needs. If you're wondering what you'll actually get, it includes in-depth video tutorials, a solid support system, and even some advanced customization tips for those who want to take their creations a step further. In short, if you're looking to save time, cut costs, and automate parts of your work without relying on others, this course is definitely worth checking out. Abdel has created something here that truly empowers you to take control of your workflow, even if you're completely new to programming. Thanks for tuning in. If this sounds like something that would help you, give it a try. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.